guys. Today I'll show you how to fix your broken lawnmower wheel. So what happened is this wheel here just came off clean. This basically the inner piece broke off, and this fell off. And yeah, you know, I mean, obviously they sell these wheels for $20–25 each on Amazon, but the do-it-yourselfer in me thought, okay, maybe I can you know, fix it for a little while. I'm gonna buy another one probably if this doesn't work out for a long term, but it looks cool. So I went ahead and cleaned up all the plastic from the rim, and I have an extra pieces of wood out there from building a deck. So I you know, roughly, you know, I mean, if you have good tools, you could do a nice circle, and this will look really nice because the wood is thick. It feels okay here. I used the decking screws to hold it in place, and then I took the inner part from the wheel and cleaned it up, broke it, and then made a hole and put this in. So now it'll mount just fine. We're using the original now just put the washer nut, and should be good for at least, you know, a few more cuts before the season is done here in Austin, Texas. You know, once the winter comes, October, November, there's no more grass to cut, really. You can see that's the original one, and this one will break too sometime soon. From the sun, they just get brittle and break. So anyways, hope you get a laugh out of this one, and maybe someone will do a better job than I did. But for the do-it-yourselfer in you, I know this is satisfying. Anyways, see you in the next one. Take care.